Hi everybody, welcome back to our Facebook page. We are rolling a clay and pressing them and make circles out of it. Roll them like this and look how pretty these roses are looking. Then we are going to make bouquet out of it. Paste all of them on the yellow sheet of paper like this. You can also add leaves and add a bow and look, it is ready. We are going to make these pretty roses. We have taken this pink foam sheet, you can get it from your local market. Make 3 cuts and then we are going to braid them like this, like you do with your hair. Look, you have to cut the excess part like this and paste it using hot glue gun. Then we have to roll it using your fingers like this, and look, you got a beautiful rose flower like this. Then we are going to fix it using glue at the end. Look how we are doing here. Then we are going to paste the leaves on it like this using hot glue gun, and look, your roses are almost ready. Look how pretty these are looking. Thank you so much for watching this video.